have a nice day, my grade 6 students. This is me, your teacher, Erica. So, I hope that you are all okay, staying at home. Just keep safe, okay? So, now we will talk about our lesson for today. Okay, today is a math lesson. So, we will talk about three-dimensional shapes. Everybody please read three-dimensional shapes. Okay. Or in short, 3D shapes. Okay. So what does this mean? Okay, you have already tackled or know about the 2D shapes. There is 2D shapes, which is just length and then the width. Okay, just like example a paper, it's a 2D shapes. Okay, because it has no thickness. So today, a 3D dimensional, it's a solid figure, meaning it has thickness. Okay, so like in this example, this is an example of 3D shapes. So we will going to go along with our vocabulary today. So in this part of this solid figure or 3D shape, this is a face. This is called a face. Everybody say face. Okay. So this is also a face part, and then this part, it's like an area. Okay, like an area of the 2D. Okay, then this part also, and then their part. Okay. And then, so it's a face is a flat surface. Next, an edge. Edge from one point here, straight go here. This is an edge. Okay, this one. Okay, like a corner. Okay, a corner. I mean, like a line, as line segment, not a corner. Okay, so from here to here, also an edge. Here to here, also an edge. Okay, here up to here. Okay, it's also an edge. Vertex is a point wherein the two edges meet. So example, this one is an example of vertex. So this one is edge, another edge. They meet at this point. So this is called a vertex. So now you know the face part of the solid figure, the edge, and the vertex. Okay? So next. By the way, in your English class, you have already know about singular and plural. Singular, you use the word vertex if you just talk about or refer to only one point vertex in a solid figure. And then if it's more than one or, more than one, okay, many vertex, it is in this form, in this word, vertices. Okay, everybody say vertex. Everybody say vertices. All right. So again, vertex for only one and vertices for more than one point or vertex. Okay? Next. Now, okay, another example of 3D that we have here, a solid figure. So again, a face is the flat side. So flat, not a curve. It's a flat side of a solid figure. Okay? Again, a face is the flat side of a solid figure. Or solid figure means the 3D shape. Okay? Next, edge. Okay, again, an edge is from one point, goes straight to another point. Okay? It formed like a line segment. Okay, so an edge is the place where two faces meet, or the two faces meet. So for example, okay, this face in this front part of this solid figure, this 3D, and then this face, okay, they meet at this line or at this line segment. Okay? All right. Next, so they are a straight line. Okay, so this an edge is good for if the figure is has a flat sides. Okay, only for flat sides. Next, vertex. So again, the vertex were in. It is a place where the two or more edges meet. Okay. So this is just a little bit recap of what I have said earlier. Okay, just to introduce to you the words here. Okay, a vertex is the place like this point. This is edge, another edge here. So they meet at this point. Edge, edge. So two edges meet at this point. So this is called a vertex. Okay? And I want to introduce to you this one, apex. Okay, everybody say apex. An apex is the point furthest from the base or the point at the top. Base is like a floor. Okay, this one down here. This is a base. It's like a floor. Okay, so from base to the furthest or to the highest point, apex. Okay, so most likely you can use this word um, for the figure that looks like this, triangular, like triangular solid figure. Okay, so next, all right, now we will talk about cube. Everybody read cube. Okay, so this is an example of another of 3D shape cube. Okay, it looks like this. So in real life, we can see an example like a dice. So you are so familiar with this one already. So 12, this cube has 12 edges. Okay, edges from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 edges for the cube. Next, the cube has 6 faces. Okay? So one flat surface here in front of this figure, another one at the back, another face at the top, another face at the base or the floor, and then another at this side and another face at this side. So they are all 6 faces. And then the cube has 8 vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 points, or it has this 8 corner. Okay. So this is all about cube. Okay. The cube has 12 edges, 6 faces, and 8 vertices. Okay. So next, I hope you can find there an example of a cube at your home. Okay. So just take a look around and see if there is a cube shape. Okay, so to know more about this, I just want to show you this one. All right, so it refers to the 6 faces, flat surface. Okay, so all right, just to get more familiarized with more familiar with the solid figure. Okay, see, this is again a cube. All right, next we will talk about cone. So this is a cone. Okay, that's why I shared about the word apex. All right, because we can use this instead of vertex. It's an apex. So in real life, it's like this one, a cone for an ice cream cone. So since the edges, it's about a straight, flat area of the 3D shape. So this cone has no edges or no edge at all, okay? So there is only one face, one flat surface here, all right? And then one apex. So this from base to this, the highest or the furthest point, so apex. All right. And in this part, it's like a curved part. So that's why this figure has no edge. All right. Again, what do you call this? All right, a cone. Okay, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Zero edges or zero edge. One face, one apex. Okay. So another example of a cone. So again, this one is a face part, apex. Okay, and this is the body, which is the curve. Ah, pretty, yeah. All right, next we will talk about cylinder. Everybody read cylinder. All right. So this is a cylinder, guys. So this is an example, a can. Okay, a can. It's an example of cylinder. So again, it has no edges since this part is a curved part. Okay, two faces. So this flat surface at the top and flat surface at the bottom or the base part of this 3D shape of this figure. So it has no vertices or any vertex at all because it has no straight line segment like the edge. Okay, since it has no edge, so it follows that it has no vertex, any vertex, no, because there is no straight line, okay, from this figure or 3D shape. Again, well, how do you read this word? Cylinder. All right. Cylinder, Cylinder, cylinder. Okay, zero edges, two faces, zero vertices. Okay, next. Okay, another example that we have here. So this one, it's a body and then the two flat surface. I mean, the two flat face. Okay. So again, this is an example of cylinder. Next, a sphere. Okay, a sphere. A sphere it looks like this. So in real life, you can see an example, a ball. All right, a ball. So it has no edges since the body is a curve. Okay, it's just a curve. So a ball is only a curve. No faces because it has no flat area or yeah, and then zero vertices because zero edges. Okay, again, this is a spare. Okay, next. All right, so we have here another example in real life that you can see a spare shape. All right, so like this one, a model, a globe model, and then it looks like this one, a marble one. All right, and then this one, a ball. Okay, so that's it. This is a spare. Okay. It's like a 3D shape of a 2D circle. All right. Next, again, we will review our vocabulary. Again, this one is a vertex or a corner or a pointed one. Okay. Where the two edges meet. All right. Vertex, vertex. Oh, sorry. Vertex, 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 vertex. All right. Next, edges. This one, the straight one. All right. From one point to another point. Faces, it's a flat area or flat surface. Okay, this one flat surface, this one flat surface. Again, read this one first, please. Okay, vertex. This one again. This word. Okay, edge. And last one, face. All right, vertex, edge, face. All right. Now you're going to tell me what kind of 3D shape is this? Can you tell me? Can you still remember? What word? Okay, I guessed you have the correct answer. So it's a cubes. This is an example of a cubes in real life. So dice, and then it's a gift. Okay. An ice, alright, boxes. Okay, again, cubes, spell it out please. Cubes. Cubes. Alright, next. What kind of 3D shape is this? Alright, it's a sphere shape. Okay, can you spell it out please? The word sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E-S. Spheres. Alright. It has S because many sphere. So spheres. Alright. If it's only one, so no S. Alright, so we have here many balls, orange, and then globe model. Alright. Next, what type of 3D shape is this? I guess you have the correct answer. You got it right. It's a cylinder. Alright. Cylinders. Because many cylinder. Alright. Cylinders. Cylinder. Okay. Next. Alright. So the most common one really it's a can. And then this one the wood. Alright. Next. What kind of shape is this? Okay, who among you likes to eat a lot of ice cream and likes to have a Christmas tree? Alright, so this shape is a cone. Alright, very good. So many cones, so it's cones with S. C-O-N-E-S. Alright. Now, you're going to tell me about this 3D shapes. First, the part of the 3D. What do you call this one again? Okay, it's a vertex. Very good. Next, this one. Alright, it's an edge. Alright. How about this one? Alright, it's a face. Okay, now you're going to answer me about cube based on my question. So, how many edges does the cube have? Okay, the cube has 12 edges. Alright, next, how many faces or face does the cylinder have? Alright, how many? 2 faces. Alright, very good. Now, how many faces or face does the cone have? Alright, only one face. Alright, very good. How about in sphere? How many vertices or vertex does the sphere have? Okay, 0 vertex. Alright, no vertex at all. Alright? So, I hope that you have learned a lot today. And if you need to remember it more or need to recap, just replay this video. Alright? Just keep safe there at home, guys. Have a nice day.